Ẹ ṣeun ìyáàfin àti gbogbo àwọn tó wà níbí. Màá sọ mixture of Yoruba àti òyìnbó. Reason tí mo fi fẹ́ ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé Yorùbá là ń celebrate lẹ́ni àwọn Ibeji. But màá tún sọ òyìnbó torí àwọn tí wọ́n wà láàrin wa tí wọ́n gbọ́ Yorùbá yẹn dáadáa. Àti àwọn ọmọ wa láti jẹ́ kí wọ́n mọ̀ wípé kò sí nǹkan tó wrong ní pé kí èèyàn lè sọ multiple èdè. And bí mo ṣe wà yìí, I can speak 5 languages. I can speak French, I can speak English, I can speak Zulu, I can speak my native language Akure, and I can speak Yoruba, all of them fluently. So there's nothing wrong in learning to speak multiple languages. It's to your advantage. Okay? All of us, it's always to our advantage. So I thank you all for coming to this event. It's been really well attended, even beyond how I expected people to attend. When it comes to being resilient, I know every Nigerian person here, we are all resilient. Otherwise, we won't be here. And you guys are here. I'm talking to the young people. You're here because of the resilience of your parents. And you're here because of the hard work of your parents. And we try to model hard work to you as our children so that you can understand that it pays to be hardworking. And that coming here today is part of your identity. And I've always spoken about identity anytime I have the opportunity to do so. You are Australian, but first, you are Nigerian. And apart from being a Nigerian, you are a Yoruba child. So you've got triple identity, which is a blessing. And I often say to my children that you've got many cultures. Make the best use of your opportunity. Take the best of every culture you find yourself in and make the best use of. Take the best, and you come out to be the best. Be proud of who you are as a Yoruba child. Be proud of who you are as the ambassador to your family, and be proud of who you are as an Australian. Carry the flag very high. Let it fly. Let people know that I'm a Yoruba girl, I'm a Nigerian girl, I'm an Australian. I told a story last week actually, I was in Perth. We had the inauguration of the Association of Nigerian presidents in Australia. And I spoke about identity. And I'm always very passionate when I'm talking about identity because everywhere I go, when I speak to them, because I don't have the typical Australian accent, people will ask me where I'm originally from. Initially, I used to get upset when people asked me that. But later, I had to sit myself down and ask myself, actually, where am I from? What is my identity? So when people ask me where I'm from, I tell them I'm a Nigerian. I'm a proud Nigerian. Be proud of who you are. I remembered one time, one of my children asked me what she should say if people ask where she's from. She wasn't born in Australia. She wasn't born in Nigeria. At that time, she had never been to Nigeria. She was raised in Canada and Australia. So one day she came home and said, Mom, when people ask me where I'm from and I tell them I'm from Warragul, they will say, where are you originally from? She said, so Mom, where am I originally from? So I said, what do you think? She said, I don't know. Should I say I'm Nigerian? Because I don't even know Nigeria. Should I say I'm Australian? I wasn't born in Australia. And if I say I'm from Canada, they'll say, so where are you originally from? I said, so what's easier for you? He said, okay, I'll just tell them I'm Nigerian. I said, good. And since then, if anybody asks where she's from and she says, I'm Nigerian, no one asks where she's originally from again. So be proud of your identity. You may grow up in Australia, you may be born in Australia, you are still a Nigerian by heritage. So be proud of that. Keep the flag flying. Thanks to our mommies and daddies that came here today, that without them, you can't, most of you are not driving yet. You couldn't be able to bring yourselves here, if not for them. So please let the children that are here, can I see you guys? Can you stand up? Let's face our parents and give them a round of applause to thank them for bringing us. Another one for thanking them for everything they have endured, the resilience for us to be here and to be who we are. Now let's do that again. Okay, now I want to hear all of you say, thank you, Mom and Dad, for everything. Thank you. Give yourselves a round of applause. And special thanks to all our organizers. Special thanks to our Iyafin, our very own dear Iyafin. And this was why she was honored at the multicultural role. She's a recipient of the Victoria Multicultural Honor Roll because of the Yoruba language school that she pioneered. Thank you so much. We now know that our children will not forget their heritage. We're very appreciative of you. We love you. And we're very proud of you. Thank you so much. And thank you everyone for the opportunity.